calibrate the SEC Millenium sensor is to what we call kind of a hard zero. When the Millenium sensor, since it's a standalone sensor, can be used without a transmitter, and it provides a 4 to 20 milliamp signal into a PLC or some type of control panel. Right now I've just got the current coming into the meter to demonstrate the third calibration procedure. And how you calibrate it without a transmitter is quite easy. Now the Millenium sensor has 4 wires coming out of it: a red wire for positive 24 volts DC, a black wire for negative 24 volts DC, a white wire for, this is our calibration slash communication wire, then the blue wire, which is hooked up to the current meter, is the 4 to 20 milliamp output. Now to zero the sensor, all you need to do is take the calibration wire and connect it to DC common for 10 seconds, and then once that 10 seconds is up, just remove the connection, and then the sensor will actually zero. And that's why I have the current meter hooked up to it, because you'll see it drop down below the 4 milliamps when it's actually doing its zeroing procedure. So if it is connected to a terminal, you take the white wire off and connect to DC common, which is the black wire of the sensor, for 10 seconds. Once you break it, you'll see it drop down to the 2.2 milliamps. That's a zeroing mode, and it just goes back into normal operation then. And that's the third way to zero the Millenium sensor when it's used just as a standalone infrared sensor along with somebody else's control panel or PLC. And then just reconnect your wires and you're good to go.